Every day I get up a base, snow, higher. Come like the sun, can't find it way back a Canada. I be a minus this, minus that, negative this, negative that. I tired of bag of negativity, Canada. You need to bring forth some positivity in the place. And let go off a bag of negativity, man. That's why so much mad people over here, feel like the cold weather get up and fly up in them head. You see me? Look on all the brother here right there, so. I walk him dog in the snow in the cold weather. Yo, the dog is supposed to freeze, poor dog. Jaja no. Yes, if you all who suffering and feel like say, yo, yeah man, over here nice and over here. You see me and I watch TV and I make the TV I trick them. The television. You see if you all who watch the television and make the television I trick them. You need to look into what go on at the place. You see me watch all them video and see what go on. You see me face the reality and see what is going on over here. Me not say opportunity over here, But I ain't idea if you know say you go on and you come over them place, you start life all over again. Like a baby. You get me I say? Yeah, if you not have somebody over here ready for say you're ready and there for you, and you know what I mean? Yeah, and when time you come at them place, you must see about the 2 week thing. After 2 weeks, you go have to get up and do something because them place you alone. Bills. You can't go and pick a car for a tree. You see me? Yeah, or go pick 2 mango over there and eat everything you have to pay for them place. Yeah. Even the mango skin. You see me? Nothing at all them people and I give it. Them people are colder than the weather. So guess what going on have to know them thing there. So all who plan to come over here, I say don't come over here because I love everybody come and experience the weather, experience the culture and experience everything. You get what I say? But I just make the eye them know so listen. So when time I come over here, just make sure so you come prepare. Alright. Can't say I never tell you.